This is Spanish 2, Personal and Public Identity Vocab, words 21 through 25. I'm going to say each of the words in English and then Spanish and then clap, and I'd like you to repeat. Number 21, the male lifeguard, el salvavidas. The male lifeguard, el salvavidas. Also, to save, salvar. To save, salvar. 22, victim. Víctima, victim, víctima. 23, embarrassed or ashamed, avergonzado. Embarrassed or ashamed, avergonzado. 24, tired, cansado. Tired, cansado. Finally, 25, artistic, artístico. Artistic, artístico. All right, good news. This is a pretty easy list, okay? Notice, salvar is to save, like that was our salvation, or salvar is to save. Now, if salvar is to save and vida is life, el salvavidas is the person or the guy who saves our life. Okay, we'd say he was a life saver. They say he's a saver of lives. Now the tricky part is the lifeguard, the male lifeguard, is one person. So why does this end in AS? Because it means the person who saves lives. So remember, the male lifeguard is el salvavidas. All right, victim. Again, green means that letters are the same in English and Spanish. V-I-C-T-I-M, V-I-C-T-I-M. In Spanish, you add the letter A, okay? Victim, víctima. And again, in Spanish, we normally stress the next to last vowel. Salvavidas, casa, amigo. But this accent mark says, hey guys, do not stress the I. Do not stress the next to last vowel, stress me. So the accent mark says, don't pronounce this victima, say victima. 23, embarrassed, is a little harder. There is to see. Remember we talked about I can see it, but it's very far away. All right, and a means to. Like yo voy a mi casa, I'm going to my house. So you're at a party and you run out of food and you run out of beverages and you say, I am very ashamed to see that all of the food is gone. Or I am very ashamed to see that all of the beverages are gone. What am I going to do? So avergonzado is embarrassed or ashamed. Again, I'm very, see the word very, ashamed to see all of the food is gone. Now, a boy would say estoy avergonzado because he's feeling ashamed, but a girl would say estoy avergonzada. Okay, so this is an adjective. Tired is cansado. You're out running with your coach and your team members in track, and your coach turns to you and says, hey, Bob, you need to run faster. And you say, Coach, I cannot run any faster. I know that makes you sad, but I'm just too tired. Cansado's tired. Coach, I cannot run any faster. See the word can? I know that makes you sad, but I'm just too tired. Cansado is tired. Okay? Next one, artistic is artístico. Again, same letters, green means easy. And again, the accent mark says, guys, do not stress the next to last vowel. Don't say artístico, which is how you would pronounce it if there were no accent. This accent mark says, don't stress the next to last vowel, stress me. This is pronounced artístico. All right, now I'm going to cover up the Spanish and have you look at the English. All right, now take a few seconds and see how many of these you know. And remember, if you miss a couple of them, you might want to go back and watch the clip again. Either look at the English and say the Spanish out loud, or look at the English and write the Spanish down. This is kind of like a post-test to see if you've mastered all of these words. All right, this has been Spanish 2, Personal and Public Identity, Vocab 21 through 25.